Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends crashing. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and type device manager, and after that once you're here, click display adapters and then right click and update all drivers that you can find here, and that's it. After that, all you have to do just restart your PC, and after starting your PC, go to League of Legends file location. It's easy. All you have to do, just you need to find Riot Games folder and then click League of Legends and then game. That's it. Here we'll find League of Legends, right click, properties, compatibility, and here enable those two options and first option and make it for Windows 7. Click apply and OK and close it. That's it. Your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.